Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all have been having a good time. So guys, today I'm going to be sharing this my turkey recipe with you. Smoked and very delicious. Stay tuned and enjoy this video. I'm going to mix all of my herbs together so I can be able to blend them with some onion and some peppers for my turkey. I have cardamom greens and I have cardamom black. I have jazanga. This is a very good herbs. These three are so wonderful. So you want to take very few, like this quantity, because this is really good, trust me. Add it in. Take few of the cardamom green. Remember, this is your jazanga and this is your cardamom green, and I have my cardamom black. So I have some of this. I'm going to go in with it. Here I have anista. This is a very good herb. So here's my lemon sticks. I'm going to add this here also. So just chop your lemon sticks. Incredible. It smells so good, guys. So good. I have some spring onion. I have some chili and some scotch bonnet, some ginger. I'm going to add some garlic, some onion. I have more onion. I'll add some of my dry chili. I'm going to blend all of this together. Add all of this stuff together. Trust me, you will get the best. Add some water. Look at all of that. Use it for your turkey, for your chicken, for your lamb. Once you mix all of this together for any of your protein, trust me, you will get the best results, and the juice will come out very delicious and very tasty, and it's very healthy also. I'll go ahead and blend. So this is the consistency. I'll go in with my chilies. I'll go in with my black pepper. I'll go in with my onion powder. I have some garlic powder. Here we have some paprika. I have some adobo seasoning. So I have some cloves here. This is what I have here, cloves. I'm going to add it in. This is my dried ginger. You can add it also. Good and healthy. I'm going to go in with my Maggi seasoning. Season it enough to make sure it tastes good. I have my pink salt here. I'm going to go in with some groundnut oil. I'm just going to mix everything together. This is a very special marinade. This is how you can marinate your turkey. Another way you can marinate your turkey, if you don't want to go the other way, I have different ways. Go search it up, my Thanksgiving turkey. You will see how I've gone ahead to marinate a lot of my Thanksgiving turkey. I have different ways to marinate. So this is another way you can marinate your Thanksgiving turkey, your fish, and all the rest of them. And trust me, you will be sure you are eating healthy and very delicious meat. The juice coming out from here will give you good flavor in anything you use it for. Fried rice, jollof rice, spaghetti, sauce of any type. Trust me, you will love it. So yeah, it smells so divine. Trust me, guys. My turkey well washed. I've gone ahead to parboil it like I would like to do. Take off all of the preservative. Lemon and lime, salt, water. That's what I used. And yeah, it is well clean. Okay, so I'm going to start marinating right away. I'll start by massaging all of these beauties into this turkey like so that everything can have this marinade. So whichever way you want to go about it, just make sure you give it a good massage. Let all of those goodness infuse deliciousness. By the time this turkey will come out, you will be enjoying a delicious turkey. Trust me. Let me know in the comment section how you like to marinate your turkey. Whatever protein you treat this way, you will love that you did. So make sure everything gets all of this marinade. Simple way you can make your turkey for your Thanksgiving, for your Christmas, for your New Year, for any occasion, and you want to make turkey, go ahead and do your turkey this way. Trust me, this marinade is top notch. I want to say thank you all so much for staying to watch my videos. Please give this video a thumbs up. It's always very delicious. Go look up all my turkey recipes. I have a lot of them. I'm going to go in with this. All of this marinade are going in. Can you see? Just let it go in like so. Yeah. Guys, trust me. This will infuse deliciousness into this turkey. Trust me. Look at that. Look at all that. Look at the cavity area. Can you see? All of those marinade are inside. Why won't this turkey come out delicious? At this point, you can go in with carrots. You can go in with pineapples. You can go in with whatever fruit of your choice. I will just show you what I'm about to do now to this turkey. This is my pineapple, guys. I'll show you what I'm about to do right now. It's washed and nicely cleaned already, okay? Go ahead and do this to this pineapple. Do this. Trust me, guys. You will love. You will love. This is a boom recipe. Boom, boom, boom recipe. I'm going to show you a lot of things you can do. So there are ways you go about your food and you will get a beautiful outcome. This pineapple will infuse a lot of deliciousness into this turkey. So all you want to do, go ahead and take your pineapples like so. Get everything into the pineapple. Take your pineapple like so. Put it in. This will infuse deliciousness. Hold on. All of these guys will infuse deliciousness. You can go in and add your pineapples. You can go in and add your lemon. You can go in and add your lime. You can go in and add your herbs. Oranges. You can add your oranges. You can add your onion. Just close this cavity area with all of this goodness. You can even go in with your carrots, guys. You will love it. By the time this turkey will be coming out of the oven, oh my goodness, it will be coming out very yummy-licious, very sumptuous, very delicious. It tastes so fantastic. Look at that. The stove is ready. I'm going to set it in. So I'm going to cover it up with my foil because I don't want it to get burnt. We are aiming at a smoky turkey. Yeah, smoky turkey. Second wrap. Just cover it well, guys. And if you want it to cook gently, that's it. Yeah, we're gonna let it cook. So guys, this is how it came out. Smoky turkey. Like, this is so delicious. My husband and uncle love this recipe a lot whenever I do it. I've been trying to see if he will be around, but I don't think so. And I'm going to decorate this with all of this goodness. I want you to see what I have here on my table. So these are all the beauties we have. Strawberries, grapes, lemon, lime. You can decide to add oranges, all the citrus if you care. You can also choose to add lemon leaves, lime leaves for decoration. and use any fruit of your choice, okay? So we are just going to decorate the turkey. I like the way it came out. It came out really, really smoky, just like I did it on the charcoal, but this is oven made and it came out really good. Okay, I have several other recipes on your Thanksgiving turkey which you can go and look up on my channel. So let me know in the comment section if you like smoky turkey, smoky chicken. Some people like it smoky, like my husband uncle, he likes it very smoky. So drop in the comment section what you like to have in your turkey recipe. Like, do you like to decorate with fruits like I've done? How do you like your turkey? Do you like it juicy or do you like it dried? Some people like their turkey very dried. Yeah, I have somebody who always brings Thanksgiving turkey for me to bake, and he will tell me he wants it very dried, very smoky. Let me know in the comment section if you like the way I went about it. Let me know if you're going to try this out. I would really appreciate to see your comments. I want to use this moment to say a very huge thank you to each and every one of you. Thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you to all of my OGs. Thank you to each and every one of my viewers from every part of the world. Thank you so much for always tuning in to watch my videos anytime I post new videos. I hope this video is interesting. If it is, please give it a massive thumbs up. So guys, I'm getting our fruits ready. This is watermelon, this is cantaloupe. And yeah, trying to set the table. Just setting it up. Just want to show you guys few things here and there. This was so I did too much. I wanted to open them all. Chidera, name the one we have before.
Oh, in the fridge.
So next is our pineapple. I'm going to slice everything in and get it set. So this is how we decorated it. I hope you're going to love it. Try it. See how beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is how my life is going to be set this year. Oh yeah, this is it. It's a spiritual inspiration. All right. Very spiritual inspiration. Everything is going to be looking beautiful on that dining table. That is how our life is going to be this year. And I pray for you watching me from any part of the world that the Lord will beautify your lives. The Lord will bless you. The Lord will honor you from Zion. He will lift up his countenance of mercy. His countenance of peace shall be upon you and your family. In the mighty name of Jesus, it shall be well with you. I speak into your life that every storm be still. I decree and I declare that every of your desires be accomplished. As this table is set, as everywhere is glittering, so shall our lives glitter this year. So shall the good things that we desire from God come to fulfillment in our lives and families in the name of Jesus. It shall be well with our children. It shall be well with our going out. It shall be well with our coming in the mighty name of Jesus. Whatsoever we lay our hands upon to do, we shall prosper. As long as it's a good thing, we shall prosper. We shall make it in the name of Jesus. I decree and I declare peace be still in Jesus Christ's mighty name. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful. Thank you, Lord.